He starts doing a tap dance. If you can make it out, he's trying to encourage worms. He's trying to encourage worms to come to the surface. I don't want to scare it away. There it goes. He's doing a tap dance. That can be the title. Big seagull does a tap dance for his food. It's absolutely amazing. It's absolutely beautiful to see when you see an animal in action. See, I'm walking. See, he knows I'm not a threat to him, because otherwise he wouldn't. Please don't fly off. Beautiful, man. I wish I could zoom in a bit more, but I can't. It won't let me zoom in anymore. Tap dancing. Like, it's absolutely amazing, man. The way it's just like tapping its feet, like tapping its feet, man. Like trying to get worms for worms. I want to get a bit closer, but I'm not scared off. Come on, baby. It's just comical, but it's like amazing. A rainy day in London, December the 7th. Is it the 7th today? Yeah. Yeah, he's got some. See that? See that? Tapping his feet on the ground, encourage worms to come to the surface, and he just had a munch. He just caught him. There he goes. Look, there you go. Look, there you go. There you go. Look. Nature in action, mate. Look, he's getting a munch. Anyway, that's it today, people. Bye bye. See you later, Mr. Seagull. You have a good one, son.